Gotanda Factory, located near JR Gotanda Station. Since it is located in the city center, there are many research departments for each factory. Please consult with us about various platings. The fields that the Gotanda Factory specializes in include plating various precious metals and plating fine products, nickel plating for bonding, plating on special materials, gold in alloy barrel plating, etc. In the plating production line, which specializes in low volume, high mix production, plating processes mainly for barrel plating and rack plating. Automatic analyzer that enables in-house plating solution management. We offer better quality with various inspection equipment to provide good products to our customers. We are working to create a factory that is friendly to people and the environment by using a wastewater treatment system in the factory. Taking advantage of these characteristics, the Gotanda Factory will propose the optimum plating.